Unfortunately, marmosets don't eat leaves, but these little gremlins do have a surprisingly predatory side. Their spring-loaded legs can launch them up to 3 meters. Curved claws grip like mini grappling hooks. And those bark-chomping teeth are just as effective on insects. Hunting among tangles of fallen branches comes easily to these miniature monkeys. They'll eat pretty much anything they can grab. But not all is what it seems. An amazing display of mimicry. This caterpillar's impression of a deadly snake is so convincing. It's scary.